So what's happening, YouTube? We have our PS5 right now connected via remote play. As you could see in front of me, this is my PS5 playing. What we're gonna do now is connect our PS5 controller to our Vision Pro. Now there's no PS5 remote play app on the App Store, so I'm gonna show you the app that we used. The app that we used today is this guy, Mirror Play. Practically with that app, you'll be able to connect to your remote play to your PS5 or PS4. So to connect your PS5 to your Vision Pro, you're gonna need to remote play it. So any other way that you remote play is how you do it. You basically turn on that app. You're gonna go to settings, hit remote play, and then link device. You're gonna then punch in those 6 numbers to that app and you should be good to go. This is what the app looks like. As you can see here, you can register a new PS4, PS5 like so by doing that. And then you're gonna put that link device number into this and you're pretty much good to go. Now there is advanced settings which I had to use. You're gonna have to put your PS5 IP address right there and then log in to PlayStation so that you can register your PS5. Once you're done, you can come back, hit home, and then you just hit remote connect and it should connect via internet. Now while that's happening, what we can do is go to settings and hit Bluetooth right here. We're gonna take our new PS5 controller right here and we're gonna hold the PS button and the share button together like so, and there it is, DualSense wireless controller. Once that is connected to your Vision Pro, the controller, now we just have to wait for the mirror app to mirror our device. And as you can see here, we'll be able to control our PS5 and play PS5 games on here. Now I'm gonna try my best to look at this like this. Let's just hit play on the God of War there. And as you can see, it's super quick. It's almost 1-to-1 on the response time there, which is really cool. Now this is an iPad app, so therefore there is on-screen controls, but you don't need to use that. There it is. Audio, balance, television, finish setup. Okay. So again, that's straight out of the PS5 on the left side. This is the one from the Vision Pro, which you can make it very big like so. It's gonna do pretty easy here, okay? So I'm not really familiar with the game yet.
Saved her life.
I killed her son. There is no letting that go.
Yeah.
This is the two comparison with the PS5. As you can see
I guess
here,
killing
it's
Baldur really did bring on
pretty much 1-to-1, I would
It
say.
stopped snowing after that day. Think
So
it's
yeah,
ever
you'll
gonna
be
get
able
better.
to bring
Someday,
your PS5 with you, kind
The
of
worst is still
remote
ahead of
play
us.
via your Vision Pro.
we must be strong.
Pretty cool. Now let's try another game here. Put the PS5 here. Change it up. Try a different game. Maybe Gran Turismo. So here it is. We're using the, fairly competitive game here with the Gran Turismo. we are using the controller connected via remote play. It's connected to the Vision Pro. It's not connected to the PS5. So let's see at the response time here. I put the Vision Pro display on top of the projector here, so you guys can see one-to-one what it would look like. And yeah, let's off to the races. How do you steer with this again? Oh, it's this way. I forgot it's like it's this one right here. This is my controls. It's like you're using a steering wheel, I guess. Yeah, the response time is pretty good. I think it's just one to one, right? Here, I'll give you guys a little sneak peek on both sides. It's pretty cool. Let's go, man. Well, I can totally rock with this. Vision Pro and Gran Turismo wherever I want. Let's go, man. Now, of course, this is not like a VR game or anything like that. For those of you who really want an immersive gameplay, I would buy the Quest 3 just because you can actually have real, true VR games with it. At least with the Vision Pro, you'll be able to remote play via PS5 and play PS5 games wherever you want. You can use this with your cellular data, or if there's a Wi-Fi somewhere else, or if you're in McDonald's or somewhere in the library where there is Wi-Fi, or at school, you'll be able to use the remote play from your PS5 and play PS5 games. I actually like that you're able to connect your Bluetooth remote Bluetooth controller, like the DualSense and also the Xbox controllers or third-party controllers with this. At least we have that option. I actually asked the guy at the demo when I did the Vision Pro demo if the PS5 or any third-party controller works, and he said I don't think he knew, but he said that it didn't work. I'm just glad that now that I'm trying it out, that it actually works. It gives a lot of potential as well if you are playing even like games that are in the App Store on the Apple Arcade. You'll be able to use a PS5 DualSense controller with it, or Xbox. And that's really good for developers. At least from that standpoint, you'll be able to use a third-party controller not made by Apple on games that are already on the iPad and iPhones. Yeah, so far I think like it's really good. Like it's one to one. There's no complaints on lag or reaction time. I think this is super useful, definitely. And let me know what you think down below. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you guys have a good day. This is just a quick overview of like if you want to use your PS5 remote play on your Vision Pro, and you'll be able to do it. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.